Hello everyone, I'm Elizabeth Peterson and I am joined today with Cedric Calhoun. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
And we are here talking about a two-day event that you have coming up, Essentials of Nonprofit Management. Talk to me a little bit about what the event is.
Yes, so I've partnered with Northern Michigan University to put on a workshop, 2 days, to really focus on helping nonprofit organizations here in the local area, probably just redefine what they're looking at, be more efficient and more effective in what they're trying to accomplish.
Sure. So how did this all come about? What is your background?
So I've spent about 20 years working for nonprofit and for-profit organizations out of Washington, D.C., really focusing on revenue generation, plan execution, and sort of that strategic planning process.
Sure. So we talked a little bit before we started recording, and there's somewhat of a need here in this community for this kind of education. Talk about what you've seen since you've been up here.
Yeah, you know, I've seen some small nonprofit organizations that have struggled with really just the planning part of the piece of it, and really that execution. You know, they have grand ideas, they want to achieve great things, but I haven't seen sort of that plan put in place that they can execute from A to Z.
Sure. So let's talk through the details. It is 2 days, so one month and one the next month, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so you're committing to 2 days when you sign up.
Right.
And talk about the format of that. Why the 2 day?
Yeah, so what we want to be able to do is to build the content on top of each other. So the first part is really going to be based on what are the 3 top challenges or issues that you face or that keep you up at night. And so we're going to go through that, and what actually happens is the attendees drive the content. So we're going to be tackling real-time issues for the attendees that are in the audience. And then the second day is going to be focused on more finance, more marketing, and then sort of that strategic planning process as well. All
right, so it's called the Essentials of Nonprofit Management. It's going to be held at Northern Michigan University in the Northern Center. First date is Tuesday, March 10th. Second date is Tuesday, April 14th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Lunch comes with that. You can find out more at WNMU-TV/continuing education. And second date, April 14th. So there's some time there to register. I want to thank you so much for talking through that with us today. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for having me.